Welcome back to another YouTube video. Today's day 11 of my bad testing session models, or bad testing sessions. I don't know why I said models. But yeah, time's flying. Almost already 2 weeks now. Energy drink of the day: Ghost Cherry Limeade. Good. Low key starting to like Ghost a lot more. I did not trade No News Monday today, so yeah, that's for the live markets. Yeah, let's get straight into the charts for bias. Pretty bullish, as you can see. We're retracing back up. ES is trying to finally catch up, considering we have S&T all-time highs. So yeah, we'll just see what we get throughout the day. And yeah, let's go to market open. Okay, market open. Okay, it's right here. Okay, already manipulated up. Complete decorrelation. So that means we're probably just gonna pump up. So let's mark out our POIs. Okay, tap in this daily not daily. This 4-hour BPR. So yeah, see what we do here. Okay. Doesn't seem like it wants to respect it. Complete decorrelation. Let me look at this. So one has to catch up, and I do think I don't know what we're doing. So yeah, back at all-time highs. Just like that. Good reaction to the downside. Good close to the downside for this right here, and yeah, this should be pretty good trade to this hourly low. And yeah, place order. Okay, in break even would be, I think there's a 15-minute right here. Yep, break even would be right there. Okay, break even. Might be a break even trade. So yeah, break even. And yeah, let's see what we want to do. Wow, break even hunted. Unlucky. As we could still look for longs. I wanted shorts to deliver a little bit faster than that, but that just leaves me to think we don't want to go short and we just want to continue long. Okay, only model is this 5-minute. Too much into premium to take this. So we'll see what we get. Not getting a whole lot of nothing. Go to PM session. Okay, currently just accumulating right now. Okay, kind of manipulating to the downside. Should be an hourly, no, 30-minute maybe. 15-minute. Okay, see if we respect this. Okay, good react to the upside. Boom, models right here. Yeah, a lot of low resistance liquidity to the upside. So let's see if we get this. Place order. Whoa, yeah, that looks better. Okay, boom, tapped. Okay, break even. We got this 5-minute right here, and yeah. Okay, yeah, pretty poor price action, I'll be honest. Okay, break even. So yeah, this should get going. Let's see. Skip 5 minutes. Okay, boom. Pretty scary trade, but bias was aligned, drawn liquidity was aligned. Yeah, quick little 1 to 3. good way to start the video. As you just see, swept out this 15-minute right here. Found the 1-minute entry model right here, inverse tap right here, change the state right here, tapped. Almost stopped me out. But yeah, equal highs, and then all-time highs, clearly bullish. So yeah, that's cool. Let's go to the next day. So far, 1W. Okay, creating this bearish gap right here. Okay. Clearly bullish. Tapping into this 4-hour gap. Okay, tapping into this. Once again, complete decorrelation. No, not really. We do have SMT here. Probably gonna want to look for shorts. We get a good reaction. Okay, manipulating higher. Excuse me. Okay, and this hourly filled it completely. Let's see what we do. Okay, good movement to the downside. Okay, reacting off this 5-minute. Okay, so we do have accumulation. See if we have any SMTs at these lows. No SMT, but matter of fact, we both swept it out. So, yeah, this looks like it's ready to go. It's ready to go to the upside. Hourly, we're about to inverse it. 4-hour, not trading anything. Reacting off the 4-hour gap. So yeah, I'm gonna take this 25-point stop loss. Shouldn't need to come back down there. Just only a 1 to 2, but tapped me perfectly. Whoa, good thing we didn't get break even. Honestly, just this 15-minute change in state inside this fair value gap. Okay, tapped it, so now we're break even. Yeah, there's not really much for break even. It's pretty V-shaped, you know, should start going. Okay. Okay, pretty good movement up. Okay, we shouldn't get edged. So yeah, should be TP. Or so I think. Okay, volume completely died and break even. And this looks like it's ready to go now. Okay, let's see if we get a re-entry. Wow, that is unlucky. Or we just want to keep these equal highs. So yeah, unlucky. Simply just a break-even trade. I don't know what we're doing now. I mean, now it looks like we want to come to these lows, I'll be honest. But ES is a lot. Wow, ES didn't even retrace at all. NQ just being a bitch, bro. NQ is a... Okay. I don't know what we want to do. I don't know what NQ is doing. NQ is just shitting itself right now. Not even moving well either, so. Okay, manipulating lower. Okay, let's just skip all this. This is lunch Okay, PM session now. ES has this, we are in this open hourly. Yeah, ES is not even printing candles properly. What is Tuesday? Do we have news? No, nothing. So I'm not sure why we're moving like this. I'm gonna be honest. Clear drawn liquidity to the upside. Will we get a trade? Probably not. As this is probably going to pump now after retracing to nothing and not having any SMTs anywhere. So yeah, retracing to this 5 minute. Okay, retracing this 5 minute. Could possibly get a trade to the upside. Okay, good. Should be honestly a turtle soup since it was a 15 minute as well. So now we could probably, I don't know what that was, probably get our trade to the upside now. And we have a little bit more letter. Do a 3.5 R. Place order. Okay. Okay, entered on the 1 minute. Okay, break even. Honestly, just let it play out. Okay, not the best movement that I want. Okay, good. Break even would be here, I guess. Should really get moving. ES is honestly coming up on these highs. So very bad price action, very bad price action. And stopped out. Okay. Very poor price action. Yeah, nothing you can do about it. We are coming across this 30 minute now. So yeah, doesn't want to go to drawn liquidity. Wants to come lower. So honestly, just Ron bias or Ron drawn liquidity. And now we're actually leaving equal lows to the downside as well. So price action is definitely not what you want to trade. But yeah, took an L. Not sure where we want to go. Still have equal lows. Could find a trade to the downside. Yeah, okay, so not liking that day. 1L, 1W, up, 2.5 R. It's fine. Let's see if we can find a trade. Reacting out this 4 hour gap, crazy amounts of low resistance liquidity to the downside. Still left this equal low, and then we actually ultimately took our drawn liquidity as I was looking for last trade in session or last trading day. So that is very unlucky. Very bad price action as of now. So yeah, nothing we could really do besides, take the trades that we're supposed to take, and that is proven to be profitable, and just let the market do whatever it wants to do. Okay. So as for POIs, we have this 15 minute gap right here that we tapped into, and ES once again is decorrelated. So yeah, very tough times in the market. Very tough times in the market. But market does that sometimes, and you just gotta adapt to it. Okay, so not reacting off anything. We are off this hourly gap. But we'll see what we do here. Okay, good close. So we did a 5 minute. This is my model right here, but it's too late, kind of. Okay, 5-minute retracement. I like that better. So we get 30-second clean model. Okay. Once again, no clean price action at all. Very wicky. Try not to just force trades, but yeah, I'm not liking anything I see, I'll be honest. So I'm not gonna, take something I don't like. So yeah, let's just see. Look at this, bro. Not good at all. So yeah, just try to handle bad price action and just be patient when, candles start printing how it's supposed to be. So yeah, currently 11 a.m. Let's just go to the next day. Not good price action, like I said. Look at this 4 hour. Completely dog shit. Somehow respecting this 4 hour. For about 2 days now. So yeah, gotta make sure you stay patient and just don't force trades in times where market is bad. So I'll probably find one more trade and just call it a session. Definitely want to get out of this shitty session. But yeah, okay. So open is right now. As for IPOIs, we either sweep all time. We sweep all this low resistance liquidity to the upside or downside. Pretty neutral. Depends where you want to manipulate into, and honestly move solidly to the downside. Okay. No S&T at those highs. Okay. 15-minute gap manipulating. Okay. More bad price action. Okay. Not liking any of this. Okay. Pump. Okay, let's see if we can finally sweep this high. Or we retrace maybe to a 5-minute. Okay, retrace into a 5-minute. Good reaction to the upside. So we get a 30-second model. No. Okay. Okay, pump. There we go. Kind of moving out, so I'm sure we're gonna come up here. Okay. Leaving. Okay, swept finally. Now I'm hoping we just dump. Okay. See if we get a retracement. 25 points. And honestly, we got all this liquidity that we could take. Wait, one more. And we're probably not gonna get tapped in. So S&T right here, I think. S&T here. I'll take this trade because I do think we dump still. Okay, tap. Not the best reaction. Looks like it might just stopped out. Yeah. So yeah, I took an unwanted L. Should have never took that, to be honest. SMT'd. Bad trade by me. But yeah, very poor price action. Let's see if we get one more trade. Couple rough sessions, I'll be honest. Last video took 2 L's, 1 W. Right now I'm taking 2 L's, 1 W. Still up on the session because of RR. It's why it's very important to trade good RR. But yeah, we'll get one more trade in. Pretty rough price action, but ultimately not an excuse to lose. Just try to stay more patient. Should have never forced that trade. And honestly, yeah. Clear, bullish move up. Low resistance liquidity here. Let's see if we could possibly sweep out these lows and then move back up. So once again, just very poor price action. Immediate rebalances, no clear direction. Gotta stay patient, bro. Okay, dumped. And that is the whole AM session. I'm gonna be honest. There's nothing that I liked at all. But we could possibly trade this now to the upside. Okay, dumped again. And then now we're gonna dump without a retracement. So very bad price action. I probably said it this whole video, but gotta stay patient and not force any trade. So this was like just clear manipulation to the upside. I do think we dump again. Okay, 5-minute gap. Bro, these damn fucking. Okay. So yeah, I'm liking this. Ideally, very continuation to possibly all these lows. Break even here. Should be easy continuation. And yeah. Place order. Tapped. Okay. Should get going just about now. Okay, do move down. Okay, break even. Okay, break even. Yeah, not sure what we want to do no more, but we do have this model that I will take a shot at. If that was the liquidity sweep that's going to take us higher, then we have a good reaction right here to this hourly gap. Let's make it a 1 to 2. Okay, filled. Break even at this high right here. Okay, so far no S&T. Okay, break even. Let's see if we get edged again. Okay, boom. So yeah, 2 W's, 2 break evens, 2 L's, a little bit of every world possible. Like I said, some pretty rough price action, but nonetheless still a W session. 2 W's, 2 L's, 1 2R, 1 3R, so that's 5R minus 2. So we're up 3R that session. It's why it's very important for RR to be good. But yeah, kind of rough price action, kind of expected considering we had really good price action the last couple sessions, and now we're slowly starting to see bad price action. But that's just the cycle of the market. And honestly, just try to stay more patient. take the same trades that you normally will take. And yeah, that is the session for day 11. I hope you guys have a good one, and I'll see y'all boys later. Peace.